Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the Hurricane Spin Broom. That's some kind of spinning brush cleaner. I bought it from Bedbathandbeyond for $19.99 or something like that. Yeah, saw this today for the first time and I thought maybe this is a good idea to clean small areas very quick without having to plug in a vacuum, especially outside where it's difficult to use a vacuum because you need extension cord or 2 or 3. So I thought, yeah, let's give it a try. The thing was, there was no such thing on display, so I have no idea how it really looks. I think I have to cut here first. So I'm cutting here on the side. Hopefully it works. So yes. Now I can open. I have no idea how large it is, so that was my main concern, that it could be a little bit small. So on the picture it looks actually quite big, but probably they were using a very small person to make the picture, so it looks a little bit bigger. I have no idea how to pull this out. Yeah, it comes out with the whole cardboard, and that is it. So it is about, what's that? 30 centimeters, which is about, how much? 12 inches or something like that. So it's quite lightweight, but it doesn't look like super cheap. Here we have the brushes, of course. Yeah, they look a little bit cheap. Okay, I have to really admit. And here with these wheels, it looks like they are propelling everything. These wheels, they're propelling this cleaning brushes and the brush here, and at the end it should go into the trash bin, which is, I have no idea how to open. Here. Looks like it should be here, and then you can open it and clean it. So that's really easy. These things look a little bit cheap. The wheels themselves are okay, but the brushes outside, they could be a little bit more on the stronger side, so I really have no idea. So I put this together and I will try it out right away outside. So that's easy to screw together. So, and now it's ready to test. Okay, so I was grabbing now a piece of cardboard which I was using for moving, because of course it doesn't work on a high pile carpet. It's the best on hardwood floor or laminate or tiles or whatever. So, but of course on cardboard it should work too. So when I push it, you see the brushes are moving to the inside. Of course you have to push forward. So I change the direction. So here you can see it better because it had this gap in between, but here sometimes it's stubborn, sometimes it's like stuck for some reason. I don't know why it's stuck. It's maybe because of this tape. But usually the brushes are rotating and pushing the dirt to the middle, where it's picked up by this black brush, and then it's pushed to the inside, and you can open, and you have everything inside and can clean it with maybe with this brush, or maybe you can use this brush to clean the bigger brush. I have no idea. So here again you can see says perfect for most floor types, reaches on the baseboards, one touch large capacity bin. Yeah, it's quite large, it's not too bad, empties in seconds, rotates with cyclonic action, pulling everything in its path. So here you have all the things. Is there more stuff here? No batteries, cords, bags, cleans, wet and dry messes. I wouldn't try. I don't suggest to use it wet. It will be a mess, of course. One touch bin, yeah. Yeah, here again, great for wood, laminate, tile, and more. Triple brush technology. So yeah, let's see. I'll definitely try it. I put you on hold. I'll try it and come back and tell you my experience inside on a hardwood floor and outside on a paver deck. Okay, so I'm back for back from using it inside in the kitchen, living room, and outside on the paver deck, and the result is, yeah, it's okay. So it picked up some dirt, but sometimes it was dropping it again. So there's no 100% cleanliness, but maybe 90%, which is okay. The thing is, when you go close to the edge, I mean, it's the wheels are spinning. You don't have to push it down or something like that, which I was fearing. That's not the problem. So these wheels have enough traction to spin these brushes without pushing down. That's really good. But you see here, it says it reaches under baseboards, and that's a problem. When you go too close to the edge, the wheels will block. You can see here there should be more gap between the white rim and the wheel. Actually, there should be a little gap where only brushes are. So the wheel should maybe start here, and in between of the white rim and the wheel there should be only brushes. So when you hit the baseboard, it wouldn't stop. But with this construction, the wheels are stopping. When you hit the baseboard like this, the wheel itself is too close, so it stops immediately. It's really hard to get to clean really close to the baseboard. Yes, and the problem is, apart from that, inside it works pretty good, so you don't get tired or something like that very fast. You can probably walk around half an hour or so in your home and you won't get tired or so, but usually it's a thing which you only use maybe for 5 minutes, so it's good for that purpose. So inside it's working more or less. I've also tried it outside on the paver deck, and you can see that's not working. It has a lot of scratches. The wheels are too small for outside. Also, these wheels are not suitable for outside, and the biggest problem for outside is this tiny lip. It was all the time, it was pushing against the pavers, and then it flipped. I mean, it bent over, and it will be damaged in very short time. If you use it like for half an hour on your paver deck, this thing will be totally broken, and you can't even use it inside. So don't use this outside, it's not a good thing, but inside it will work more or less. The thing is, I was really surprised by the amount of dust it picked up to the outside. So it seems that it's picking up a lot of static load, static electricity. So it then attracts a lot of dust outside. So that's not so good. It will be really, really dirty after short time outside. I have removed a lot of the dust already, so it had almost more dirt outside than inside at the end. But yeah, of course, I mean, it picked up some dirt. If you need some alternative for compared to a vacuum, something like before visitors come, if you don't have time to plug in your vacuum and just have 5 minutes to clean, yeah, why not? So I don't say it's not working. It's somehow working, but it has its limitations, of course. Yeah, that's about it. So $20, is it worth or not? You have to decide on your own. I don't know if I will keep using that, but yeah, maybe I try for a couple of weeks and make another video after that, and we'll see how long it really lasts. But for the moment, I'm a little bit split. I can't really tell you if it makes sense to buy or not. But anyway, I hope this video helps you a little bit. And if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.